Hey everyone, welcome back to Curios. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about the human body that you probably didn't know. Let's get started. Okay, first up, let's talk about your sense of smell. You know how certain smells can trigger memories? Like fresh baked cookies reminding you of grandma's house? Well, that's because your nose is a memory machine. Seriously, your nose can remember a whopping 50,000 different scents. Think about it. All the different perfumes, flowers, foods, even that weird smell in your aunt's attic. Your nose remembers them all. That's pretty impressive, right? Makes you wonder what other hidden talents our noses have. Maybe we can train them to sniff out winning lottery tickets. Okay, probably not, but a host can dream, right? Next up, we're talking iron. And no, not the superhero kind, although that would be pretty cool. Did you know your body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail? I know, wild, right? It sounds crazy, but it's true. This essential mineral helps our red blood cells carry oxygen throughout our bodies, keeping us energized and going strong. So next time you see a construction worker, you can be like, hey, I have enough iron in me to build something too. Okay, maybe don't say that, but you have to admit it's pretty amazing. Now let's talk about the control center of it all, your brain. This incredible organ is constantly working even when you're sleeping. And guess what? It generates enough power to light up a light bulb. That's right. About 23 watts of power are buzzing around in your head right now. It's using that energy to control everything you do, from breathing to thinking to dreaming up your next snack. So next time you switch on a lamp, remember that you've got a light show going on inside your head too. Speaking of hard workers, let's give it up for our hearts. This incredible organ beats non-stop, day in and day out, to keep us going. And get this, it beats around 100,000 times every single day. That's like running a marathon without ever taking a break. Your heart is one dedicated muscle. It pumps blood, delivers oxygen and nutrients, all while keeping a steady beat. So let's give our hearts some love. They definitely deserve a standing ovation for all their hard work. Ever get that warm, rosy feeling when you're embarrassed or excited? Well, guess what? You're the only one who does. That's right, humans are the only species that blush. Scientists aren't exactly sure why we do it, but some think it's a way of showing vulnerability or signaling to others that we're feeling a little flustered. Whatever the reason, I think it's kind of endearing. So next time you feel your cheeks turning pink, embrace it. It's what makes you uniquely you. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this next fact is a big one. Your body is made up of trillions of tiny cells, the building blocks of life. How many trillions, you ask? A mind-boggling 37.2 trillion. That's more than all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. These tiny powerhouses work together in perfect harmony to keep your body functioning. It's enough to make your head spin, but in a good way. Just think, you're a walking, talking universe of cells. You know what else is super strong? Your bones! They're the framework that holds you up, and they're tougher than you might think. In fact, pound for pound, your bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. That's right, you've got a superhero skeleton right there inside you. Your bones protect your organs, store calcium, and even help you move. So next time you see a superhero movie, remember that you've got superpowers of your own, thanks to your amazing bones. Let's move on to those beautiful peepers of yours. Your eyes are incredible organs, capable of seeing a spectrum of colors that would make a rainbow jealous. How many colors, you ask? Try a whopping 10 million. From the deepest blues to the brightest yellows, your eyes capture the world in all its vibrant glory. So take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you and the amazing gift of sight. Speaking of amazing, let's talk about your skin for a second. It's your body's largest organ, and it does so much more than just look good. Your skin protects you from the elements, regulates your body temperature, and even helps you feel things through its incredible sense of touch. So give your skin a little love. It's your first line of defense and deserves to be treated with care. Okay, get ready for this one because it's a real head scratcher. Did you know that humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas? Yep, you read that right. Bananas. It sounds crazy, but it's true. We share a common ancestor with these yellow fruits way back in the evolutionary tree, so next time you peel a banana, remember that you're snacking on a distant relative. Now let's talk about something a little less appetizing: saliva. You know, that stuff in your mouth that helps you chew and swallow? Well, get this. The average person produces enough saliva in their lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. I know, kind of gross, but also kind of impressive. Saliva helps break down food, protects your teeth, and even helps you taste. So even though it's not the most glamorous bodily fluid, let's give saliva some credit for all its hard work. Speaking of digestion, let's move on to your stomach. This powerful organ is responsible for breaking down your food, but it's also got a pretty amazing trick up its sleeve. To prevent it from digesting itself, your stomach lining actually renews itself every 3 to 4 days. That's like getting a brand new stomach lining every few days. Talk about efficient. So next time you eat something delicious, thank your super stomach for doing its thing. Remember how we talked about your amazing bones earlier? Well, get this. Babies are born with even more bones than adults. While adults have 206 bones, babies have around 300. As they grow, some of these bones fuse together, eventually giving them the adult number. It's all part of the amazing process of growth and development. Now let's talk about your liver, another unsung hero of your body. This vital organ filters your blood, produces bile, and plays a crucial role in digestion. But here's the really cool part. Your liver can regenerate itself. You could lose up to 75% of it, and it would grow back to its original size. Talk about a superpower. Get ready to flex because your body is a muscle machine. You might be surprised to learn that you have over 600 muscles working together to help you move, breathe, and even smile. From the tiny muscles that control your eyelids to the powerful muscles in your legs, each one plays a crucial role in keeping you going. So next time you hit the gym, remember that you're exercising hundreds of muscles at once. Speaking of keeping you going, let's talk about your blood. This vital fluid carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body, keeping you alive and kicking. And guess what? It makes up about 8% of your body weight. That's right, you're walking around with a few gallons of this life-sustaining liquid coursing through your veins. Ever wonder why you're the only one in your family with a double chin? Well, maybe not the double chin part, but did you know that humans are the only animals with chins? It's true! Scientists aren't entirely sure why we evolved this way, but some think it has to do with our speech patterns or the way we chew our food. Whatever the reason, it's one of the things that makes us uniquely human. Here's a fun fact about your fingernails. They grow faster on your dominant hand. That's right. If you're right-handed, your right fingernails will grow slightly faster than your left. Scientists think it has to do with the increased blood flow and use that your dominant hand gets. So, next time you're trimming your nails, pay attention and see if you notice a difference. Get ready to be amazed, because your body is a network of incredible highways. We're talking about your blood vessels, of course, which stretch for an astonishing 100,000 miles if you laid them end to end. That's enough to circle the Earth 4 times. These vital pathways carry blood to every nook and cranny of your body, keeping you alive and well. And finally, let's end with a fact about your tongue. This versatile muscle helps you speak, taste, and swallow. But did you know that it's the only muscle in your body that's attached at only one end? That's right, it's free to move and groove in all sorts of ways. So next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, thank your amazing tongue for helping you savor every bite. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From your super-powered nose to your regenerating liver, your body is truly an amazing machine. I hope you learned something new today and maybe even gained a newfound appreciation for the incredible vessel that carries you through life. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed these incredible facts about the human body, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Curios for more mind-blowing content. And be sure to share these fun facts with your friends and family. They'll be amazed. Until next time, stay curious.